You're going to rent instead of buy. Let's talk about this. Had a conversation with a younger person who was about to buy their first property, and they're like, no, we're just going to rent. If you're renting, you are paying someone else's mortgage. And I know people are like, oh, it's so much cheaper to rent. Think about this. Investors are not buying properties to lose money. So you are definitely paying someone else's mortgage. There's different programs, especially around the Baton Rouge area, where they have 100% financing. So, sorry, I'm at a red light. Right now, the sellers are still paying some closing costs. They have some assistant programs for your down payment. There's FHA loans where you can put 3.5% down. And maybe if you buy now, then this can be your first investment property when it's time to buy and purchase your next home. So you can continue to rent, or one day maybe you can be the landlord. So while you're paying rent, the investor is getting a tax benefit. They are most likely gaining equity, and you're paying for all of that when it could be you.